Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, let us see how to change aggregations in Power BI. Okay, in order to change aggregations in Power BI, at first you have to have some data. Okay, in order to do that, you can just go and get some data. Okay, I already have the data here. Please check the videos whatever we have shared earlier, so that you will be able to know how to load data in Power BI. Okay, so as of now, I'm just trying to change aggregations in Power BI. Okay, so at first we will try to create a table. Okay, I'm just creating a table. Let me resize it. Okay, so I'm just taking subcategory. Okay, and then sales, and then profit. Okay, and then quantity. Okay, so aggregations or something like some product, percentage, and all those things will come under aggregations. Okay, percentage and all. Okay, so as of now I'm just trying to change this profit. Okay, sum of profit, you can see here profit, aggregation as profit. Okay, in order to do that, we should have to click on the this drop down. Okay, just click on this drop down. As it is sum, it is, so it has been already been showing it as sum option. Okay, in order to change this is how you can change, like average, maximum, minimum, these are all come under aggregations. Okay, I'm trying to change this aggregation to average. See how you will get this scenario is, if you go if you work in any company, the manager might ask, can you just visualize profit in terms of what is the average profit. Okay, in that for that question, if you want to answer to that, you can just do this. Okay, let me click on this average. Okay, so here you can see it has been changed to average of profit. Okay, this is how you can change the aggregations in Power BI. Okay, likewise I'm trying to change for quantity also. Okay, how many distinct quantities are there. Okay, I'm just trying to change it. Okay, you can see the sum of quantity has been changed to count of quantity. Okay, and if you want to show up both maximum profit and also average profit. Okay, I have already, if manager asks both, okay, what is the normal profit and what is the average profit. Okay, if you want to show up such things, then you should have to go and drag this profit option here. Okay, so that you will be able to see this average profit and also sum of profit. Okay, this is how you can do. Okay, now let me do some slicing and dicing part. Okay, let me do that. Okay, I'm just trying to change it as, okay, uh, let me change the text color. Okay, text color to sky blue. Okay, I'm just trying to change alternative text as this color. Okay, and alternate background color as, okay, then let me do some other slicing and dicing part. Okay, so let me change the title. Okay, let me put the title like aggregations. Okay, let me put it in middle. Okay, let me increase the size. Okay, I'm just putting it in the middle. Okay, let me change the text color. Let me give it its blue. Okay, so I'm just trying to change the specific column elements. Okay, column headers. Okay, I'm just trying to change the column names to yellow. Okay, let me change the fonting. Okay, so let me change the color to blue. Okay, so this is how you can do some slicing and dicing part. Okay, I'm just trying to change the background color to this one. Okay, let me do some more slicing and dicing part. Okay, so let's try to put it in the middle. Okay, then option. Okay, let me go here. Let's change the grids. Okay. Okay, the grid lines have been changed to blue. Okay. Okay, now we have changed the grid lines too. Okay. Okay, vertical grid lines also we have given. If you want to change this color also, you can just change. Okay, now the vertical grid lines are also changed. Now I'm just trying to change the borders. Okay, let me put the borders as pink. Okay, so this is how you can do. Okay, um, change the text color. Okay, text color. It's not visible. This is how you can change. Okay, let me make it white. Okay, so that it will be visible for everyone. Okay, this is how you can just change. Okay, let me increase the fonting size for aggregations title. Okay, let me make it. So this is how you can do aggregations in Power BI. I hope this video is helpful for you. Okay, this is how you can change, and please subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of the videos. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.